Hello and welcome to another video on Thirukkural. Today, we will explore Chapter 3, Glory of Those Who Have Relinquished, and specifically Song 6, which talks about what separates the great from the ordinary. In this song, Thiruvallur highlights the importance of doing the seemingly impossible. He notes that it is the ability to do what others may consider impossible that separates the great from the ordinary. Throughout history, there have been numerous examples of individuals who have achieved greatness by doing what was once considered impossible. Mahatma Gandhi, for example, led India to independence through non-violent civil disobedience, a feat that many believed was impossible at the time. Similarly, Nelson Mandela's fight against apartheid in South Africa was also considered impossible by many, yet he persisted and ultimately triumphed. This principle can be applied to our daily lives as well. It is often the case that we are faced with seemingly insurmountable challenges. However, it is through the determination and perseverance to overcome these challenges that we can achieve greatness and separate ourselves from the ordinary. In conclusion, Thirukkural's Chapter 3, Song 6 reminds us that the greats are not born great, but rather they achieve greatness through their ability to do what others consider impossible. So, let us strive to push ourselves beyond our limits and accomplish what we once thought was impossible. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos on Thirukkural.